This tutorial is for faculty members who are using Digication Kora in your Canvas course. For this video, I will show you how to create an assignment where students can then access the template that is shared with them to create their own portfolios. First, you want to make sure that you have Digication Kora enabled in your course site. Here you can see mine is already enabled. However, it's really easy to add it, so I will show you either way. So you select settings, and once you're in settings, navigation, and then if Digication Kora is not above in the top menu options, if it's down here, you would scroll and find it. We'll just select a random one and then select enable. And then you can also move it up however high you want, depending on the relevance for your particular course. All right, so once Digication Core has been added, and of course you do have to select save after you make any changes. Once Digication Core has been saved and activated, you launch it. And you have a couple of options here. One, you can import an assignment. If an assignment from a coordinator has been shared with you, you can take this route where it's pretty self-explanatory, where you would click there and then select the particular assignment. Or you can select create new assignment, which is what I'm going to do since it's only one activity. So here you get to the activity and assignment page. So I'm going to say create portfolio, and for our class and initial reflection. So I can add some description here. I want to make sure that submission is required. And remember, the whole purpose of this first activity is so students can get the template, right? So I'm going to say use prompts or template. So from here, I will select use template. Based on an existing template, one that I've either created or that's been shared with me. And you'll see I have quite a number of these. So I'm going to select the template that I'm going to be using for this course. I can preview it, I can edit it, I can do many things within here, but this is the one that I know for sure is the one I'm going to use. So I would select use this template. And then after it finishes loading here, okay, with the template now loaded, sometimes it takes a couple of seconds, I will select the due date. So for our class, it's going to be due January the 14th at 8 a.m. So I scroll down here, select 8 a.m. Okay. And for this particular assignment, since in Spanish 1060, we're doing everything on Canvas, I'm not going to enable a grade because the students are going to be graded for their initial reflection on Canvas. So I don't have to worry about with the enable grade or anything like that. I also don't have to adjust any of these settings here. So I can then create the assignment. Okay, so now you see when the students log in to Digication Kora, they will see the activity. If I wanted to add some text here and have text in Canvas as well as text here, I can select the activity, select edit, and then either type or copy and paste some text here. Anytime you make any updates, you would want to make sure that you save the work. And if you wanted to confirm, you can go back to your Canvas tab and then select Digication Kora, and you will see that you've accomplished a couple of things. One, you've linked Digication to this Canvas course. Two, the students have access to the portfolio and to the template. So this is how you enable students to create portfolios, creating an assignment with Digication Kora.